Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin a message in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin a message in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app and open the chat box of the person on which you want to pin a message. So guys, this is a demo account of mine on which I'll be pinning a message in Telegram. So now in order to pin a message on Telegram, guys, tap on the message which you want to pin and this kind of box with many options will appear. You can see guys, for each of these options, for each of these messages a box will appear when tapped on, and on this box guys you can see the pin message available or the pin option available for us. Just below the forward, tap on that pin and you can see guys, here it says do you want to pin this message to the top of the chat and also pin for that user. And if you want to pin the chat for that user, also tap on the box over here and a tick mark will appear, and after that tap on the pin icon or the pin option over here at the right side of this box. And with that being done guys, that message has been pinned at the top of the screen, you can see. And there guys, this is how to pin a message in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.